In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page role in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to help manage your Facebook page, choose the right access level, and send a clean, accurate invitation. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta or Facebook result so you know you're in the right place. When you click through, you'll be prompted to log in. You can sign in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Use the account that already has admin access to the page you want to manage. Otherwise, you won't see the right options. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside Meta Business Suite. From here, go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, find the section labeled Users or Accounts, and click People. This is where you control who has access to your business assets, including pages. In the top right corner, click Invite People. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. It's best to use the email that's connected to their personal Facebook account, as that helps the system match the invitation correctly and reduces the chance of delays or errors. Next, choose their access level. Partial access is ideal for employees or contractors who only need to create content, schedule posts, respond to messages, view performance data, or handle similar day-to-day tasks. Full control should be reserved for trusted admins because it allows them to manage all settings, invite others, and even delete assets in your portfolio. If you're unsure, start with partial access and expand privileges later if needed. You can also open the advanced options to set finance permissions. Decide whether they should be able to view financial information like invoices and payment history or manage it, which includes making changes to billing. Only grant managing access to someone who truly needs it. Click Next to continue. On the Asset Selection screen, choose Pages from the list of asset types. Then check the box for the specific Facebook page you want them to manage. If you oversee multiple pages, double-check you've selected the correct one. Below that, toggle the specific tasks they need, such as content, messages, community activity, ads, or insights. If you want them to act as a page admin, select full control for the page. Review everything to make sure the email, access level, finance permissions, and page selection are correct. When you're confident, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email and can accept to activate their access. You'll see the invitation listed as pending until they do, and you can always adjust or rescind access later from the People section.